Was I wrong? Was I wrong? I was wrong. I was wrong. Did you eat? Did you eat? You ate. You ate. Take this. Take this. You fast. You fast. Who broke it? Who broke it? See yourself. See yourself. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. Don't go far. Don't go far. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. You can go. You can go. She knows. She knows. Stay clean. Stay clean. No matter for me. No matter for me. Cheer up. Cheer up. Move ahead. Move ahead. Promise me. Promise me. I was sleeping. I was sleeping. How absurd. How absurd. Watch out. Watch out. Wash your face. Wash your face. Shame on you. Shame on you. Forget it. Forget it. Don't forget. Don't forget. He is clever. He is clever. So far, so good. So far, so good. Stay up. Stay up. Don't shout. Don't shout. Drop him home. Drop him home. How are you? How are you? Forget that. Forget that. Do that. Do that. He needs money. He needs money. I need to go. I need to go. It's amazing. It's amazing. তো এর ইংরেজি হবে You deserve it. He called me. He called me. Take care. Take care. Clean that. Clean that. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Who did it? Who did it? Well done. Well done. Try this. Try this. I need an answer. I need an answer. So kind of you. So kind of you. Clean up. Clean up. Buy this. Buy this. I will leave. I will leave. Are you mad? Are you mad? Just coming. Just coming. Take this. Take this. I know you. I know you. Please get in. Please get in. Be with me. Be with me. Not good. Not good. I am with you. I am with you. Can you come? Can you come? How foolish. How foolish. He works here. He works here. I am bored. I am bored. How stupid. How stupid. Get me there. Get me there. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Don't ask. Don't ask. It's too late. It's too late. Go to hell. Go to hell. Believe me. Believe me. You can do it. You can do it. It's our duty. It's our duty. Good idea. Good idea. Let it go. Let it go. I don't feel so. I don't feel so. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. My pleasure. My pleasure. Never mind. Never mind. Let me go. Let me go. You guys can go. You guys can go. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. You did well. You did well. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. Open the lid. Open the lid. Don't wink. Don't wink. Do not tickle. Tickle মানে সুরসুরি দেওয়া বা কাতুকুতু দেওয়া। Listen to me. Listen to me. Not required. Not required. Help them. Help them. Come with us. Come with us. He is clever. He is clever. At least. At least. I have bad luck. I have bad luck. I agree with you. I agree with you. Very fine. Very fine. Bring him in. Bring him in. I am going. I am going. That's not right. That's not right. What else? What else? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.